Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash, and in today's video we're going to be talking about an organizational hack for your calendar that's so good it will change the way you manage your calendars forever. Trust me, it's that good, really. Now, before we get started, one video you definitely need to check out is last week's video that I made, which is all about how you can set goals. Now check it out right here, and how you can actually organize your whole year to make you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Now, once you've had all of those things, you'll be able to put them into your calendar as actionable items and organize them the way we're going to be talking about in this video. That's really going to help you skyrocket your progress and get way more productive as well. Okay, so we know normally calendars stress us out. I don't know about you, but it really does stress me out a lot when I see my calendar just full of meetings and other things that's going on in my life, and you know, it just looks so full and blocked up that you kind of look at it and you go, oh, not again. Another day of doing the same kind of stuff. Now, the problem here is that we don't really take time to enjoy the process, right? Like, how many of you skip lunch, for example, skip any break times and not have anything free time or anything fun going on in your calendar? And that makes you just feel overwhelmed every time you look at your calendar. But in this hack, we're going to be talking about something else that's going to help you reorganize the way you do calendars altogether. And this is a hack that I learned from an entrepreneur called Rob Moore and from his book, and it's really, really good. So I'm going to share it with you guys. Now, there are 3 steps to this process. Step 1, that'll surprise you, is schedule your free time first. Now, this really is surprising, but this is so important. When you schedule in your free time, so you have this empty calendar, put in specific free times. Yeah, maybe your friends will make fun of you, but who cares, right? You're going to put in the free time like lunchtime or dinner, relax, break times, all those things. Just put those into your calendar first, because that's going to be the most important thing that's going to help you enjoy your time. Now, don't just put free time all over the calendar. Be more realistic about this. The second step for this is you're going to be scheduling in parties or other events that are already in the diary and you need to attend, right? These are things that you really want to go to and you don't want to miss. So put those things in your calendar second. Now, remember, at this stage, you can also say no to events and parties that you get invited to, or different things that are just going on. You can say no. I think a lot of people struggle to just say no to things. But if you're that person, watch this video. It's going to help you to become more assertive, and it's going to help you to actually say no to things you don't want to do. Okay, now step number 3 is schedule in your actual work times in the times remaining on your calendar. This is going to be so crucial, because you're not only going to be able to schedule in the times that you're going to be able to work, but because you know that you have free times coming up, this is going to actually make you more productive during the time that you are going to be working. And there are, of course, different ways that you can break down your tasks and your time during the working blocks. And I will be making future videos on that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the new videos I'll be putting out. And also, once you have these work blocks built in, there are other concentration and focus tips and tricks that you can use to get more productive during that time. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm just getting into the habit of scheduling work time and actually doing work in those times. So if you've never done this before, maybe take that first step as to just organize your calendar and be disciplined in just following that, right? And don't go crazy with any other tips and hacks and all these different things you're going to stack up one after another. That's just not going to work, because that will overwhelm you again. So instead, just taking this one step to organize your calendar and try to stick as closely to that as possible is going to help you make so much more progress. Over time, you can then add different tips and tricks on how you organize the different blocks, inside the different blocks, what you're going to be doing, and how you manage the task going forward. But those are all for future steps. Now, I started doing this calendar organization this year as well, and it's really helped me to get a lot more productive. And I can, even just within the 2 weeks that I've been diligently using it, somehow it feels like just because I've put more discipline in my life, I have more freedom, which is pretty weird. But you try it out and let me know in the comments below what you found. You know, did it help you to become more productive? Did it not help you become more productive? Either way, let me know. I would love to know your experience. And if you want to see any other kind of videos, then let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will be here every week. So I will catch you in the next one.